Now that you're a proud owner of the Smart Oven Air Fryer XL, let's get you ready and confident to start using your oven. Place the box on the floor and open it up. Remove the accessories contained in the top panel packaging. With both hands, firmly hold the machine and pull it up and out of the box. Before first use, we'll need to run the oven empty for 16 minutes, which will remove any protective substances on the heating elements. Let's do that now. Place your oven on a flat, dry surface. Select a well-ventilated space which provides a reasonable gap above and on either side of the appliance. Remove all packing material, promo labels, and tape from the oven. Remove the accessories from the cardboard box. Take a soft sponge and in warm soapy water, wash, rinse, and dry these parts. Next, with a soft damp sponge, wipe the interior of the oven. This reduces vapor smells, which are quite normal on first use. Insert the crumb tray into the oven. Unwind the power cord completely and plug into the closest power point. You'll hear a ding, and the LCD screen will light up. The 14 oven functions will pop up, and a triangle will be pointing to the toast setting. Turn the confirm dial to the right until the indicator reaches the pizza function. Press the Start/Stop button, and you should see the button's backlight illuminate. The LCD screen will turn orange and the oven alert sound will... The LCD will display a blinking preheating message. If you notice any vapor release, it's perfectly normal. While we wait for the countdown to finish, let's head to Breville's website for inspiration and find something to impress your friends. Oh wow, Korean chicken wings, roast turkey, and red velvet cupcakes. Once the 16 minutes countdown is finished, you'll hear an alert and the Start/Stop button backlight will disappear and the LCD screen will illuminate white. The Smart Oven Air Fryer XL's first use prep is complete. Now that your machine's fully set up, let's explore its sleek and smart features so you know how to get the most out of your oven. On the front of your smart oven, you'll see the crumb tray, which catches loose food crumbs and can easily be removed so they don't stick or later burn at the base of the oven as you cook. Here, you'll notice some numbered rack positions, which are linked to each cooking function and the Element IQ system. This helps steer the heat to where and when it's needed to cook your meals just right. Now to the LCD screen. It's the window to the smart oven soul. The buttons and dials look complex, but they're really intuitive. Let's take a look. The combined Confirm and Rotate Remind button dial provides two actions. The Confirm feature comes into play when selecting your cooking function. Rotate Remind is available for bake, bottom bake, air fry, roast, pizza, proof, reheat, warm, and dehydrate functions. While any of these functions are selected, press the Confirm dial to activate Rotate Remind, and it will alert you to switch the position of the food in the oven to achieve even and consistent results. Use the Start/Stop button to start and confirm your recipe or preset mode. The temperature dial will ensure optimal cooking temperature, and it allows you to have complete darkness control for toast and bagels. This little button with a bulb is your oven light, which allows you to check on your food during the cook cycle without opening the door. Convection and Super Convection button. Super Convection reduces cooking time by up to 30%. The two fan speeds, regular and super, give you more cooking control for certain functions and recipes, like crispy skin on roast chicken. When cooking from frozen, a quick press of the frozen food button after selecting your cook function will slightly reduce the cooking temperature and adjust the timer. The Phase Cook button can be used to program two back-to-back cooking functions and can be used with any of the 14 functions of your smart oven except for dehydrate and slow cook. Now that you've set up your smart oven and understand which dial and button does what, you're ready to venture off into your newfound culinary universe. Explore, savor, and share your creations. You may want to expand your cooking further with additional smart oven accessories. The Pizza Crisper Pan is especially great for store-bought bases and frozen pizzas. But for that authentic pizza crust, nothing beats cooking on the pizza stone. Maybe you'd enjoy the sleek bamboo cutting board for easy kitchen prep. Bamboo cutting boards are ideal as they absorb very little moisture and have natural antibacterial properties. They're also harder than most cutting boards. A second air fry basket is great if you want to do multiple batches at once. Just remember to add a couple minutes cooking time and rotate and shake the baskets if using 2. Or 3 extra baskets to dehydrate an entire pineapple in one go. Follow this link to purchase any additional accessories today.